Unlock the secret of magic brew in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel, where language learning meets fun and effective strategies. Today, we're going to unlock the secret behind the phrase, magic brew. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the mystical world of English phrases and discover what makes a brew magical. The phrase, magic brew, typically conjures up images of witches and wizards stirring a cauldron, doesn't it? But in English, this phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. Literal meaning, literally, a brew is a drink made by mixing several ingredients. So, a magic brew could be a potion with magical properties, like something out of a fantasy tale that grants the drinker special abilities or fortunes. Figurative meaning, figuratively, magic brew can refer to any mixture or combination of things that produce an effective or desired result. Think of a perfect cup of coffee that seems to wake you up magically, or a special recipe that works wonders every time. Let's put magic brew into action. This phrase can add a touch of enchantment to your conversation. Here are some examples. In stories, the old witch gave the hero a magic brew to grant him the strength of 10 men. In everyday life, this stew is like a magic brew. It's the only thing that can comfort me on a rainy day. When you use the term, you're hinting that there's something special or extraordinary about the mixture, whether it's tangible like a drink or abstract like a plan or idea. The idea of a magic brew has deep roots in folklore and mythology. Many cultures have stories of magical potions that can do everything from healing the sick to making someone fall in love. The term can evoke a sense of mystery and intrigue, perfect for creative and descriptive language use. We hope you've enjoyed this mystical journey through the phrase, magic brew. Remember, language learning is your potion for connecting with the world, and each new phrase is an ingredient in your ever-growing vocabulary cauldron. Keep practicing, and soon, your English skills will feel just like, well, magic. Happy learning, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.